Tim.
Rotisserie cockroach is what's for dinner.
How'd you screw a cockroach?
I don't know, man. It was just in the hole, and I just, when I pulled the screw out, the cockroach was sitting right there looking back at me.
Okay, so it's nighttime, and we are actually officially ready to start this demolition process, which is arguably the best part of any rehab. You can take a week's, a month, or a year's worth of stress that's been built up in your bones, get it all out with the swing of one easy, light, possibly heavy ball peen hammer.
Yeah.
Does it feel like you're being fairly heavy to do them?
Now, for those of you who are just curious, as maybe you've seen in the background from this B-roll scene or whatever, is this a live wire and do we have it just dangling here and whatever? And the answer is yes.
Basically, your Mickey Mouse fitting is going to give you 50 amps, and your telephone fitting is actually going to be about 40 amps. So if you add the two together, you're looking at about 90 amp service coming out of this box. Take that to the bank.
We have a special guest with us here today. Some say he was born with a hammer in his hands. Basically, let me introduce to you Cletus Bojangle Joe Jack Boy Johnson Jr. III. For short, we just call him Cletus.
Hi, my name's Cletus, but you can call me Hammerhand.
Boy, can he swing a hammer. Let's show him how it's done, Cletus.
Hey, Cletus at work here. Yeah, I don't get no respect around here. As soon as I get my license back from that DUI I got, I'm going straight back to the Hammer Swingers Union.
Where's the safety glasses? I'm wearing contact lenses, people. Calm down. Shit balls. Well, I just ruined the tuba 6.
Rattle.
Shit. It's okay. Hyper Tough makes a tool for that. Now no one's gonna stub their toe.
Oh yeah, that felt good. Look, case in point, if your rafters can support your body, like if they can support my body, then I know that my roof will at least withstand an earthquake that registers, I don't know, 11.5 on the Richter scale. Look, if your rafters can't survive the hang test, how could they survive an earthquake? It just doesn't make sense. Always hang from your rafters just to make sure that they're up to code. We are going to be running wire in the kitchen. Let's move on with it.
Rattle. Rattle.
professional, they said. I am a professional. So the kitchen's coming great. We have all of our sheetrock hung. We have lights installed. And yeah, you know, we didn't really feel like filming that. The lighting just sucked. So, we're like,
Get out of me! I was like, oh no!
fucking both of it! Feel me on that one? Now I'm just gonna be doing some spackling, you know, taping up them joints. Mud and tape, mud and tape. So today's a really exciting day for us. We have our buddy Jeff here on site. He knows everything that there is to know about every single type of quartz, granite, marble, countertop, how to install it. With a combined 150 years of experience that Jeff has single-handedly, the master fabricators. If you can find them in your area, that's who you want to find. Or your local ladies' man. Implementing itself right now and doing its job. We have a shelf up, okay, ladies and gentlemen, but these shelves suck, okay? They're a little bit wobbly. We tinkered with them. Get you some 4-inch construction screws. Get you a jig. All right, so take your piece of lumber, put it on your brand new oven that you just bought that has no scratches on it, and that's what we're gonna use. Lock that sucker in place and have your handyman drill that thing. Hear that? There ain't no wobbling, there ain't no shaking, it's perfectly level and plumb. We got 4 of those suckers embedded into that. Literally, those screws are going all the way to the other side of the 2x4s that are in that wall.
Hey, Hammerhands, come here real quick. How was your experience drilling them potholes?
I snorted a whole bunch of that stuff that's coming out there and nothing happened. You lied to me.
Hey, man, I'll get you a good Jack Daniels later.
Okay, that's all right then.
It always helps to have a good crackhead on your job site.